Hello, welcome back to the channel. I recently did a review of Vadoo AI. As you can see it on screen here, I've been having a good play around. And someone left a really interesting question. It said, great video, thank you very much. I'm curious, is it possible to create consistent cartoony animated images using Vadoo? I'm working on a children's book and I've been struggling to find the right AI for the job. And I thought that's really interesting. I've been using it with people, but can you use it with basically animated characters? So the first thing I'm going to do, head over to create the image. So I'm going to use Flux Pro. I'm going to have it one by one. Let's just make that a bit bigger. So for this test, I've said a young girl smiling at the camera. And then importantly, I've told it I want it Pixar-style. So that's how you're going to get the cartoony look. That's brilliant. That's very Pixar, isn't it? So I'll download that. I go over to AI Influencer, and you can see I've already been testing this a little bit. I'm going to say create character, start with a face. I'm going to upload the image I just generated. And let's call her the person who asked the question. There you go. This is your avatar. So we save that. We go into it. And now we can say, create a new image. And you want to try and maintain that same style. So I want to say a young girl riding a bike. So I always want to say Pixar style. That's the key. So let's see what it comes out with. Now I've tested this already, you saw a couple of times, and it does seem to work quite well. And there you go. So let's do a few more of these. I think it does a pretty good job there. You can see we've got the same consistent face and the same consistent look, the same consistent Pixar style. And then you could, I guess, try and create videos out of this. So if we create a new video and we want this one, great. Now I have also tried this using a different style. So this is a slightly different avatar. If I go back, it's cartoon girl, generated a great cartoon girl, but it's sort of done it, but I don't think the consistency is quite there yet. In this instance, I just said a girl doing whatever activity, hand-drawn cartoon style. And so we've got the style right, but the consistency seems not quite as good as where it's the Pixar one. So your mileage may vary, but that's the power of Vadoo. It's good to have a good play around with the different models and experiment with this kind of stuff. So if you like the look of this, I believe it's still on AppSumo. I'll put an affiliate link down below.